Exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC given measurement of angle A equal to 60 degree, measurement of angle B equal to 30 degree, and the length of the line segment AB is 5.8 centimeter. So we start. At first we draw a line segment of 5.8 centimeter. Name A, B. Now take a compass and we will construct the angle of 60 degree and 30 degree at the point A and B respectively. For the construction of 60 degree, we draw an arc at A like this and intersect an arc and draw a line. This is the angle of 60 degree. Again we construct 30 degree at the point B. At first we draw an arc that makes angle of 60 degree. Then we bisect the angle like this and draw the line segment. Both the line segment intersect each other at point C. So ABC is our required triangle where AB is 5.8 centimeter, angle A equal to 60 degree and angle B equal to 30 degree. Question number 2, exercise 10.4. Construct triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 5 centimeter, angle Q equal to 105 degree and angle R equal to 40 degree. Here hint is given. Recall angle sum property of a triangle. At first we will draw a rough figure. This is the PQ is 5 centimeter, angle Q is 105 degree, angle R is 40 degree. Here angle P is not given. So we will use the angle sum property of a triangle. We know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Now put the value of angle Q and angle R, that is angle P plus 105 degree plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Now angle P plus 145 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle P equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree, that is angle P equal to 35 degree. Now first draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Name PQ. Now with the help of protractor we will draw the angle of 35 degree at the point P like this. This is the angle of 35 degree and draw the line, and with the help of protractor we will draw 105 degree at the point Q. 105 degree. This is 90, 100, 105. Now meet this point. This is the point R. Here angle PQ equal to 5 centimeter, angle Q equal to 105 degree, angle R equal to 40 degree and angle P equal to 35 degree. So it is our required triangle PQR. Now come to the exercise 10.5. Question 1. Construct the right triangle PQR where measurement of angle Q equal to 90 degree, QR equal to 8 centimeter and PR equal to 10 centimeter. At first, we will draw a rough sketch. That is QR equal to 8 centimeter, angle Q equal to 90 degree, and PR equal to 10 centimeter. Here, measurement of PQ is not given. Let us start. At first, we will draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Naming QR is 8 centimeter. Now construct angle of 90 degree at Q. Now open the compass for 10 centimeter. And from R, cut an arc which intersect the angle line of Q at the point P. Join PR it is of 10 centimeter. This is our required triangle PQR. QR equal to 8 centimeter and angle Q equal to 90 degree. Now come to question number 3. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle ABC where measurement of angle ACB equal to 90 degree and AC equal to 6 centimeter. At first, we will draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Here, angle C is 90 degree, AC is 6 centimeter. Since it is an isosceles triangle, so the side BC is also 6 centimeter. AB will be hypotenuse and hypotenuse is the longest side, so it cannot be 6 centimeter. So, two sides of the triangle AC and BC will be 6 centimeter each. Now start. At first, we will draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. Naming CA, that is 6 centimeter. Now construct angle of 90 degree at the point C like this. Now open the compass for 6 centimeter and from C make an arc that intersects the line at the point B. Now join AB. This is our required triangle ABC, which is an isosceles triangle. AC equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to also 6 centimeter, and angle C equal to 90 degree.